One of the expectations for children reaching greater depth is that they can manage their use of verb forms, so managing verbs for effect and also managing shifts in formality. And these things we can see very clearly, hear very clearly in audiovisual content before children actually recognise it on paper as well.
Sometimes a small force can have a great effect. Simple machines have been used for thousands of years, enabling ancient people to build the most amazing structures. And today's modern architecture could not be built without them. A simple machine is a device that makes work easier.
Children find things like past progressive, past perfect, passives quite difficult to handle as a concept unless they're exposed to it. And so for children just to kind of see that where the tenses shift, I think is a really great way for children just to access what do we mean by different tenses and when would we use them.